How to convert PPT to video in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, I've already launched the Canva application and selected my PowerPoint presentation as well. Now what you can simply do is you can see the different options over here, the different pages over here. Simply tap on the plus icon between the pages over here. As you tap on the plus icon, you'll be able to see the option of either you can add page or you can add transition. So let's tap on add transition and simply select whichever transition best is convenient for you. I'm going to tap on stack and then I'm going to simply select again on the plus icon, tap on transition, select on stack and then tap on apply between all pages. Now as you do that, you can simply start presenting it and it will convert PPT to video in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.